So we are back in the forest. We're waiting for the other parents to come. I'm still very tired, but I took it slow today, even though I had to pick our bags and prepare for forest schooling and for camping tomorrow. I'm still out of energy a lot. I really feel like I am burning out, and my body is like shouting to take rest, take care. I'm waiting for my moon time to come, so I have probably PMS, but actually PMDD, and I will one day make a video about what PMDD also is. But we are here now in nature, and I really hope that Mother Nature's give me some extra energy. I'm so out of breath again. Really need to start exercising more, maybe. But I don't know when I have the time. But we are also having that busy weekend camping again. It's with my best friend. She's also on her moon right now, so we are probably going to take it slow and not do too much, let the kids play and let them have fun, and we just enjoy being in nature and being together, having a campfire, creating a ritual. We will see. There are sticks in my shoes. But yeah, also for homeschooling, after the camping trip, I really have a longing to just take it more easy, take it more calm, more relaxed, and just lay in the sofa for a while, and then help my kids learn how to read. Not my oldest one, she could read from 4 years old, but like my youngest one, my middle one, and my youngest one learning some new stuff. My oldest one learning some math while we are sitting and making it cozy. Maybe we lay some like pillows on the floor and we just lay down, and we don't have to sit on a desk. We don't have to do rush everything. We can do it slow. And that's what I love about homeschooling. Even though I have no help, I have no community, and it's exhausting sometimes to have no one helping me and no one willing to help, because I really sometimes cry out for help, like, is there someone that wants to help me? But people don't want to help. They're all in their own selfish bubble. So we have to find creative ways to make it work and make it happen, and sometimes that's just laying on the couch and doing homeschooling from the couch, and that's okay too. Now we are going to forest school. I had some activities planned. Even though I'm very tired, I hope I will find the energy out of nature to fill me to do this. But after this, I'm going to crash in the sofa. zien, hè, want ik weet niet hoe diep dat daar allemaal is. Now we are going camping again in a beautiful biological permaculture garden with my best friend and our kids, and we are setting here up our tent, and it's actually a little bit for my birthday and just because I wanted to do something fun with my best friend. So come along on the journey and let's have fun. I would love having some chickens too, and some ducks. Look at all the beautiful flowers after me, like it's amazing to have a camping place. It's not in the forest, it really is like a beautiful magical garden, and I really wanted to come here because I want some inspiration for our own magical garden, our own very beautiful flower garden. So yeah, I'm very excited.
Mama, ik vind 10 stok.
Pak ze, pak ze.
Wil je het? Heb je het gefilmd?
Ja. Nog een keer. Pak ze. Pak ze. Ze denkt dat egels zijn in de boom zitten.
Kelly!
Nee, geen lollies. Nee, geen lollies. Pas op.
Ik durf dat.
Maar dat prikt toch. Allee. Waarom wil je niet den appel zien? Dat prikt toch in je tong. But the important thing today is we are going to the forest and we are going to do fairy forest schooling. And if you have seen my previous videos, you have seen that I do activities, which is like normal without fairy ears. But now, like without elven ears, like more an elf. Fairies have like wings. I don't have wings. I don't need wings. But I have had a longing to dress up as an elf for such a long time. I just love telling stories and then embodying like a character, and I love fairy and elven magic and energy. I love working with elves and fairies, so I really want to embody that energy and express it in clothing. I love my new dress. I really love it. So today I'm going to, like, I never dared to go like this, even though it's just the ears. I would want to do more makeup and like dress even more extravagant. Extravagant? Is that how you say it? like more like with glitter and all of it and colors. And I asked my daughter, would I go and dress like an elf today? And she was like, yes, definitely. She was all in for it. And I was like, should I do not? Like, and I'm just going to try and see how it goes, because I really want to be myself. And this is me. I love dressing up. I always love it when, like, that's kind of why I love Halloween, because that's the one day in the year that everyone is dressed up and it's normal. And I just love it and just want to do it all year long. So yeah, this is me in the fairy magic. So here we are, ready for forest fairy schooling. Woehoe! En ik ben eigenlijk het schildergrief aan het. We are going to paint and make markings of leaves on paper, but I will show you the result afterwards. We nemen een blaadje en dan pak je je witte was.
Wie is de grote? Zo.
Dan moet er 2 blaadjes.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
Did you remember these beauties? Going to try to put them in. So, oh, that's hard on camera. I have the wrong one. But you know, I tried them on in the forest and like for forest schooling. And yeah, I just wanted to explore because if I would be myself, I would dress up like all the time and create stories and like celebrations with fairies or witch magic. My friend came to sit with me. Yeah. This is Mika. He's 10 years old. But yeah, I would like dress up as a witch, as a fairy, as whatever comes in mind, and would create stories, because that's what I did as a child too. I would go to school and I would tell the kids like creepy stories or other fantasy stories. Like we did go to a camp at the moment, and there was like a cave and 2 forests. And from the moment I was there, I was like, oh, that's a cave of the trolls, and that's the forest of the vampires, and that's the witch forest. And I was telling all those stories, and all the kids believed in them. And then at the end of the camp, there was like a bonfire, and around that bonfire, I dressed up as a witch, and like the little children were afraid of me. That was not my intention, but like it was kind of funny that they did go along with it all. And I just, part of me longs for that freedom of not feeling shy. So I did go to the forest with it, but I was constantly shy. When people walked by, I was like pulling them out, or like sitting like this, or feeling stressed. Then that friend came with her child, and her reaction wasn't really like enthusiastic. So I just did them out, and I felt bummed out that I let myself, let fear of judgment, I think it is, take over and rule my life. So I don't know what to do about it, but at least on the internet, I kind of don't care. I don't know what's the difference in real life and online, but if people would say, "Oh, you're so weird," I would be like, whatever. But in real life, it's confronting and it's scary, and you can't block them or unfriend them or ignore them when people say things. So yeah, I'm more scared in real life. So yeah, maybe this is a new journey of overcoming that fear, because it's a part of my creative expression. He's so cute. And yeah, next we will craft again and play again and have fun again. But I need to go there and let myself be an expression of who I really am, because when I don't do that, I become bitter and angry and frustrated at humans. But they aren't the reason why I can't express myself. I and my fear are the reason. So yeah, welcome to my journey, and thank you so much for following, and see you in the next one.